Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so enrollment works first time. Check your Probook model and Windows version, then update Windows Hello and fingerprint drivers. This ensures driver compatibility and sensor reliability. Once done, sign in with an administrative account and clean the finger you'll use. Now open Settings, navigate to Accounts, and select Sign-in options to start fingerprint enrollment. This first actionable step triggers the fingerprint setup flow and prepares the OS to register your biometric template. You will now complete the detailed enrollment sequence that creates your fingerprint template. Click Setup, follow on-screen prompts, and repeatedly lift and rest your finger until the progress completes. Rotate slightly between scans so the sensor captures edges and central ridges. If Windows asks, set or confirm a PIN because fingerprint unlock depends on it. Make sure to enroll a second finger. That redundancy prevents lockout if a finger is injured or sensor placement varies. This builds a robust, usable biometric profile. Finish by locking the screen and using your new fingerprint to sign in so you verify success immediately. If authentication fails, try simple fixes first. Clean the sensor, re-enroll the finger, and make sure your skin is dry. These actions address the majority of recognition issues. If problems persist, update or reinstall the fingerprint driver via Device Manager and run Windows Update to fetch firmware fixes. Finally, make sure your PIN works. It's the fallback for unlocking when biometrics fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.